And heavy rainfall continued to lash Mumbai, which has resulted in the flooding of streets and railway tracks, which has crippled life in the maximum city. Rail services were also affected, particularly on the Western Line, because the water levels began to increase on the tracks. Dabbawalas have decided to suspend their services for the day because of massive water logging. Schools and colleges remain shut for the second day after the heavy downpour. Met Department has issued an alert. They have predicted heavy showers for the next 24 hours as well. Fishermen have also been asked not to venture into the sea. This is the season's highest 24-hour rain that has caused several traffic jams in the areas. People seen wading through knee-deep and waist-deep water at some areas in Mumbai.
120 मिलीमीटर बारिश गिरा है और समुंदर को जब वहां पर हाई टाइड होती है तो पानी मुंबई शहर का निकलता नहीं, पंप भी नहीं काम करते और समुंदर में जब हाई टाइड होती है, जब बारिश गिरता है तो ये स्थिति होती है और इसीलिए जैसे ही हाई टाइड कम हो जाए तो बारिश का पानी निकल जाएगा.
We are standing at Nalasopara railway station. Yes, this is a railway station where I am standing on at least 3 to 4 deep water. This is a railway station. This is the premise of railway station, and now it has become a spot. Which has reached here at Nalasopara to show the ground reality of Nalasopara, how the connectivity of Mumbai and the rest part of Maharashtra and other cities have been disconnected because of heavy rain. It's pouring at Nalasopara. On left hand side, the railway station, thousands of people are stranded on the station. On the right hand side, you can see the ground reality. It's a 4 to 5 feet deep water, and in this water, people are staying and living their lives. It's camera person Rohan, this is Virendra Singh Rawat at Nalasopara for India Today.
Heavy rainfall causing water logging and disrupting the rail services. And just take a look at the visuals that we're getting for our viewers from different parts of Mumbai. We have Saurabh Bhaktania joining us live and India Today's Mustafa Sheikh. Saurabh, first of all, tell us, has it stopped raining? Has the water begun to recede? Because what's worrying is the prediction rather by the Met Department of more rainfall in the next few hours.
Well, absolutely. The predictions have been made that in the next 24 hours it will be raining more heavily in Mumbai. But the good news is for the last 1 hour it's not raining so heavily in Mumbai and it's just a drizzling. But let me show the live visuals over here. Still there is waterlogging at the Hinmata area, and the water has started to recede as the high tides are over. So water is residing from the manholes, and the BMC officials on the ground levels are trying very hard but the most important thing is here, Avantika, that there is lot of garbage and dirt inside this manhole. This had to be cleared before monsoon, but this was not done, and therefore the water is residing at a very slow pace. Therefore still you can see here in Hinmata there is water logging, and like every other year, this year too the situation has worsened for Mumbaikars, and continuous rain has created a havoc for Mumbaikars.
Give us an update on the train services. Have they resumed on all of the 3 lines? Because rail services were also affected as a result of the heavy downpour. Mustafa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Avantika.
Yes, Mustafa, give us an update from where you're reporting. How is it looking out there? And give us an update on the train services as well.
Yes, of course, Avantika, we are at Ghorbandar Road, which is quite far away from Mumbai. This is a patch which connects the central and western suburbs of Mumbai, the Ghorbandar Road. This is a highway, and it was completely submerged under water, but now the water we are seeing, it's receding. As far as the railways are concerned, we have travelled from Central Railway and we have also heard about Western Railway. If you leave out the patch between Borivali and Virar, between which Nalasopara comes, rest railways are working, functioning normally. The trains are slow, they are 10 to 15 minutes late, but the trains are working, and that is a good benefit for the Mumbaikars who are trying to go from one place to another. But there has been continuous rainfall that you cannot deny, and also there has been weather warnings that it will continue to rain even in Thane district where we are in. So this will only increase the problems of people who don't travel on daily basis. I'll just like to show you the traffic in this area. This is because of the water logging. Only one vehicle was able to pass at a time, due to which it led to a jam on this Ghodbunder Road highway. You can see a lot of heavy vehicles also pass by this road. There is this road which connects Thane to Mira Road and to Bhayandar, so which connects the central and western suburbs. That's why it remains a critical road, and hence due to heavy rainfall, people are getting to face traffic on the road. But railways, as you were talking about, it's running normal as of now, and also the future situation depends on how much ever it rains. Back to you, Avantika.
Right, Mustafa, thank you so much, and Saurabh, thanks for getting us that update as well. Let's also take a look at some other ground reports that have been sent in by our correspondents from other areas of the city that has been affected because of the torrential rains.
Avantika, I'm at Khar subway. The subway was closed, it was partially covered in water, rainwater, which is why vehicular traffic had to be stopped. But, now that the water has receded, in spite of that, you can see right behind me, this waterfall kind of a thing, which is on exactly where people have to walk through. That's where it falls at. Certainly is causing a lot of inconvenience to people.
Where I'm standing now, Sayan, in fact, since morning the water levels have not gone down very much. We've been reporting here since early morning, 8 o'clock, and there's hardly any difference that is here at this point. It's almost 1:15 now. But as you were mentioning, Avantika, it's dangerous to wade through this water. Mumbai had seen rise in cases of leptospirosis in last few months, and one of the main reasons for leptospirosis is wading through this water, which is infected particularly by dead animals, particularly rats that are inside the holes that come up when it floods.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.